what we have done in the past how many months, it's the fruit of labor and love and passion of everybody involved.
Sir Henry, dati konsepto lang ito na binubuo nyo, ang dami mga puzzles na binubuo, and now hindi lang siya buo, hindi lang siya isang serye. This is a phenomenon na inaabangan ng lahat ng mga kapamilya. How do you feel about that?
Ako sobrang thankful. Sobrang thankful lang kasi, well, syempre, ang hirap ng process ng pinagdaanan namin, especially ng creatives. Pero now, parang nabubuo na siya completely. At masaya kami kasi tinakip siya ng napakaraming tao at napakaraming manonood. So, very thankful talaga. Thank you to all the people who supported Can't Buy Me Love.
How about you? Let's go with Ian first. Thank you for the answer, Sir Henry.
Ayun, gaya na sinasabi nila, parang kailan lang. Ikaw rin yung Robin, di ba? So, nag-host ito.
Hindi po ako.
I'm sure this will be a very special project sa lahat sa amin dito. It will be like a chapter in our life na gonna keep it on our treasure chest. Sa lahat, cast, crew, staff. Ayun, gusto ko rin pasalamatan lang yung staff sa yung crew na yung trabaho behind sa amin. We're captains of the ship, pero sila yung pinag-uwilan namin, hindi mo po without them. So, ito lang yung mga simpleng way na kaya namin sila pasalamatan. So, guys, salamat. Thank you.
It's a village. And if I may, is it okay if ipan po natin yung camera sa mga cameramen po natin, mga light natin? Because they deserve an applause. Kasama namin sa Twitter. Thank you. That is what you call dedication. You can't buy love, but yun ay binibigay nila dahil mahal nila yung ginagawa nila. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga kasama po namin dito. Okay, I want to ask Derek Raymond.
Ako naman, sobrang grateful kasi kahit pa sa kalagitnaan ng show ako napasok dito sa Can't Buy Me Love. Nagulat ako hanggang ending, nandun ako kasama nila.
Hanggang dulo, Derek. Oo. And I want to ask Derek May Cruz Alayar, kompletong pangalan, buo. Because nagsimula tayo dito, same venue, pero iba na yung pakiramdam. Same yung pagmamahal, pero iba yung glamour talaga, no? What can you say about it?
Actually, I'm still speechless, especially when I saw the finale. I saw that yesterday, pero iba yung feeling watching it with everyone. Because parang there's just too many emotions. Parang we all worked hard, like what Direk Ian said. This was really group effort, a team effort. It's not just the people in front of the camera or us or the writers, but it's everybody. What we have done in the past how many months, it's the fruit of labor and love and passion of everybody involved. And I'm like them. I'm just so grateful and overwhelmed. And also, there's like, it's bittersweet. It's bittersweet because, of course, it was tiring. All the puyat, all the hard work. But I'm also sad, and I'm sure everyone feels the same way that, this is it, we're ending, and at least there's something that we can take with us, that we did an excellent job, all of us, and that it's something that we are all proud of.